Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. To this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Another speaker can be found on the top of our screen, and that's a phone call speaker right here. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's test it out. And clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, which confirms that this device does have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.